Hello guys, today I have got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to answer the question, actually show you a couple of fixes of how to fix earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. It's most likely about the Bluetooth connection. It may be delayed, it may be very bad. So what I do recommend doing actually right now is to unpair them from your phone and pairing with them back again with your phone, of course, or just connecting them, restarting your phone, restarting your earbuds. You need to just restart the Bluetooth connection. It needs to be set up completely new, and after this this reset, everything should go back to normal. If it doesn't want to go back to normal, we need to do something different. Plug them into the charger and charge them up to 100%. After this, everything should be fine, of course, but if it's not fine actually, you need to clean your earbuds. You don't need to clean the case, earbuds needs to be cleaned. Here on the JBL logo, as you can see, we've got the touch area. Clean this area. If you see that this area is oily, has any moisture on it or something like that, or any debris, I don't know, it can be dirty in a very different ways. Clean this with the isopropyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, or with using just like cotton swabs and a soft cloth. The end, do this on the left and right earbuds, both here and here. Clean them and everything should be fine. If it's not fine, you need to contact the device support because your device may be broken. Bye.